Weather-Wise is brought to you by Centex Roof Systems, your hometown roofer.
Welcome to Weather-Wise. I'm Meteorologist Zavian Colón. The changing of the seasons is determined by the equinoxes and solstices that happen year-round. Let's dive into what makes each solstice and equinox unique and causes sunrises and sunsets around the globe. The Earth is tilted at a 23.5-degree angle, which gives the Earth its seasons and why we have temperature changes around the year. Some key differences between a solstice and equinox. A solstice marks the longest day and the shortest days of the year. One happens in winter and the other in summer. An equinox happens when nighttime and daytime are the same length of time because the sun is directly at the equator. At the bottom of the graphic, we can see that most of the northern hemisphere receives the earliest sunset in the days leading up to the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. Going from the south to the north, you can see that the days get closer and closer to the winter solstice. We're losing more and more daylight until we reach the shortest day of the year around 21st or 22nd of December. The sunrise also plays a factor, but in reverse. After the winter solstice, the days start to get longer because the sun is now moving towards the south, which allows for more sunlight to reach the earth, balancing out the length of the night and the day. As the latitude moves closer to the south, the day gets closer to the vernal equinox, and the length of the daylight starts to equal out in length of the night. The March 20th is the vernal equinox, meaning the sun hits just at the equator. This means that there is an equal amount of daylight and darkness in all latitudes. It is also the halfway point between winter and summer solstice, so the hot temperatures are on the way. In September, we'll have the autumnal equinox. If you have any questions about equinoxes, solstices, or any other weather questions, email it to me and they may be answered next segment of Weather-Wise. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Zavian Colón.